Small and medium-sized enterprises are often more susceptible to cyber attacks than giant companies because of their limited resources. Here are 5 cybersecurity threats to SMEs and how custom software development services can prevent them. Internal attacks. Internal attacks arise from within the business. Rogue staff, particularly those who can access business networks, admin accounts, or sensitive data, can cause serious damages. SMEs should identify accounts with access to internal systems and terminate those no longer in use or associated with ex-employees. This gives businesses an opportunity to respond swiftly to any malicious activities that is detected. Let's talk about spear phishing and ransomware. Spear phishing threats are designed by cyber criminals and executed by sending phishing emails that appear to come from someone the recipient knows, like a valued client, family, or senior management. To reduce the risk of phishing and ransomware, businesses should ensure that their employees know the risk, understand how to stop phishing, and how to avoid phishing emails. In addition, SMEs should have secure backups for crucial data. Let's talk about malware. Malware refers to any software that's installed on a computer or any machine to carry out unwanted tasks benefiting a third party. Examples of malware include spyware, Trojan, adware, ransomware, and bots. SMEs should invest in anti-malware programs like solid antivirus technology as recommended by leading custom software development service products. Poor knowledge of cybersecurity. Employees who don't know how to safeguard themselves online can jeopardize your business. As such, hold training sessions with your employees to help them identify security threats and manage passwords. You can also empower your IT staff to handle incidents through training from software development firms. Be careful while using your own device, BYOD policies. SMEs become more vulnerable to data theft if employees use unsecured mobile devices to access or share business data. To reduce this risk, have a clearly defined BYOD that informs and educates staff on device expectations and allows the company to monitor and document files downloaded to business-owned devices. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.